Hello, welcome back to the channel, y'all. In this episode, guys, we're going to be working with the Meguiar's two-step headlight restoration kit. Says here, easily restores clarity to oxidized and yellow headlights. Headlights stay clear for up to 1 full year. And it's just showing there a before and after picture. And this light is kind of very oxidized. I coated it one time before, but it's like the stuff didn't really work too well, as you can see. So, I'm just here. I'm going to get on it again and see what the Meguiar's kit will do for this light. And you can tell both sides is pretty much oxidized. Look at that one. Same thing. This one here, basically same thing. So, let's get into it, man. Alright, they got the little pads that come with it. You put the cleaning solution up there. So use by hand, or you can use it with a DA power system. Quickly removes tough oxidation. Alright, then you just coat it. Okay, let's get into it. Alright. It's a pretty big light, so it goes all the way around there. Big light. And you can see something, the crap that's coming off this light. Alright. Alright. And let's wipe that away and see how our progress is getting on these lights. Here we go. It's definitely smoothing out, so I can say, as you can see, stuff coming off of them, whatever was on them. I would say hit this at least 2 times or 3, ever how many times is needed. Come and tell you guys, the key is getting this smooth as possible. Getting this smooth as possible is where the clearness come in at on your headlights. Okay, that's the trick to it. You want to get that smooth as possible. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a little bit more of the Meguiar's cleaning solution, and we're gonna hit that again. That's the trick to it right there, guys. Getting it as smooth as possible. Getting the oxidation and all this stuff off the headlights. That's the trick. Once you remove all the oxidation, all that surface buildup and all that crap off the lights, then once you get a smooth foundation, it'll automatically come clear. Alright, so let's hit it. Cause the power light and everything is made right into this light. So when these get frosty, your park lights on the side get frosty looking as well. Work on as much as possible when you're doing this. Like I say, you want to make sure they're very smooth and slick. All the build up and crud, all the yellowing, you want to get most of it. Just get it smooth is the trick. Once you get it smooth, you got it. Okay, I think that's enough grinding on them. Alright, now watch when I wipe this away. Watch this, guys. You'll better see the stuff on the rags here. You can see some of that crud, the yellowing and all that crap. It's coming right off on the rag. Okay. Now you're going to want to tape up around here. On this car, since it needs paint, doesn't matter as much, you know. But you're going to want to tape up where you're going to be spraying your clear it. Alright, and that's around here, and around here, and around this part of the car. You want to tape up everything. I didn't do it here because the car need paint, so it really ain't going to matter too much here. Alright, let's make sure all that stuff is off the light. You can feel the slickness when you wipe it with the microfiber cloth now. That let me know pretty much I removed everything. Alright. So now, pretty much it's ready for the headlight coating. It's very slick now. So we're going to hit it. We're going to hit it with the headlight coating. Alright. And see what the deal is. Shake it up a little bit. Hope you guys can see pretty good. Like the sun want to get kind of bright. Okay, now I'm going to hit it with the coating. Hope you guys want to cut this thing to an angle. The sun to kind of act retarded now. Let's see. Alright, that's better right there. Hoop. Okay, we're going to hit that. Kind of shaded over here where I'm at. Anyway, let's hit it. Let's hit it with a couple coats. Let's see what can we do. Might come from this side. Hold up. Block that glare for you guys. There we go. Alright. That glare is something else here. Anyway, I'm just gonna hit it. I can't block the glare too much. That don't sun being a nuisance. Let's hit it. Alright. Got to take it on round like I said, because this part light is made right in the headlight. You guys can see the clearness right there. So let that dry in. Then you hit it with a second coat. That looks good right there. Oh yeah, it looks nice. Looks way better than this. See that? Oh yeah. Looks way better than that, doesn't it? Oh yeah, that looks good. Let's look at it from a distance. Oh yeah. Y'all see that pretty good there? See that? Compared to the other side. See the difference. Much clearer compared to this side. Still frosty like. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a big difference. Alright, so it says after that dries in, you hit it with a second coat. Okay, so let's hit it with another coat, which I don't believe you need to hit it no more, but here we go. And that's actually good enough, in my opinion. Okay. That looks good. That looks real good right there. there you have it, man. I don't want to hit it too heavy. Alright, as you guys see that. That's what the Meguiar's headlight restoration kit can do for you. As you guys can see it, it can keep them headlights from looking like this and bring them back to this. So I don't want to hold you guys too long. Make sure you sand them smooth though. That's the trick, is getting them sanded smooth before you coat them. Alright, so anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Share my videos with your family and friends. And till next time, man, I hit y'all on the next video. I'm out. Peace. That looks good, man.